What's up, everybody? Lawrence Ryan here, coming to you live once again from the tunnel, the Rebel Tunnel. And is that a GoPro attached to the business end of a drill? Why, yes it is. Am I bored? Absolutely. Affirmative. Although I think that footage might look interesting in the video I'm doing on the 50th anniversary of Woodstock. It's coming up. Anyway, I think I'm going to put aside the DIY stuff today and take a blues break. What do I mean by that? Follow me.
It's an old blues song called Can't Be Satisfied.
No more going back down south, child. You wanna go on trouble, all word in mind. And I can't be satisfied, and I just can't keep from crying. All up in my sleep, hear my doorbell ring. For my baby, I don't see a doggone thing. I'm troubled, all word in mind. And I can't be satisfied, and I just can't keep from crying. Baby, love to jump and shout. I don't train be late long. I can walk it out. Troubled, all worded. And I can't be satisfied, and I just can't keep from crying. And I can't be satisfied, and I just can't keep from crying. I can't be satisfied, and I just can't keep from crying.
This is Lawrence Ryan signing off for the Rebel Tunnel. Don't forget to like and subscribe or follow. Hit that bell for notifications, and I'll see you on the other side.